ever recorded a video of yourself, watched it back and thought, God, do I really look like that? That's totally normal. Every single person hates seeing their face on camera at first. I mean, it's awkward, it's uncomfortable, and for a lot of loan officers, it's the #1 reason they avoid video altogether. But here's the thing, video is no longer optional. It's the world we live in. I mean, you can do email campaigns, you can text, you can call, and all of that still matters, but video, when done even halfway right, gives you a real edge over the loan officers who just refuse to do any video at all. Now, why is this? Well, it's because clients don't hire rates, they hire people. And video is the fastest way for someone to feel like they already know you. So today I want to give you just 3 simple tips to help you look better, feel better, and actually use video as a strength to grow your business. The first one is this, real simple. Content over appearance. Now, other than combing your hair, throwing on a cool shirt, or wearing a hat, you can't change how you look. You look how you look, and if you hate how you look, I'm sorry, but that's how you look. And that's a good thing. Your job is not to be attractive or pretend to be somebody else. Your job is to be useful. People are not watching your video thinking about your teeth or your hairline or your jaw angle. They're thinking about themselves. They're thinking, how do I buy a house? Can I afford this? And most importantly, they're thinking, is the person talking behind that camera someone I can trust? So stop giving your brain time to analyze your face. Focus on the message. Deliver the content. Say the thing that helps the client. That's it. Tip number 2, use a teleprompter. And no, that won't make you fake. Hear me out. Using a teleprompter makes you clear. Now, there are some really good teleprompter apps right now in the App Store. They're cheap, they're easy, and they work. And at first, you're gonna get one and you're gonna try it and you're gonna be bad at it. You'll sound stiff, you'll read too fast, and you'll probably even move your eyes and you'll see your eyes move in the video, and that's normal. But if you practice, it starts to flow. And I'll be honest with you, I'm reading this right now off a teleprompter. I actually wrote the script about an hour ago. I practiced it one time, and now I'm just delivering it. Don't wing it. Don't ramble. Don't think you can just wing it on a video. Don't go off script. Keep in mind that clarity beats clever every single time. Tip number 3, lighting and sound are your best friend. Now, this matters way more than how you even look. So if you're filming, try to use natural lighting if you can. Face a window to the outside. Don't put direct sunlight blasting on your face if you're outside. You just want clean, even light. And if you're inside, make sure your face is well lit and not shadowy. Second part, sound is everything. Make sure your microphone is actually working. And if you can buy a small portable mic, I would recommend it. Just make sure it's a high quality mic. Bad sound will make people move on from your video quickly. Good sound is enough to keep people watching. Lighting and sound will beat fancy every single time. So just remember those 2 rules. Here's the bottom line. Your job isn't to be perfect. Your job is to be real, clear, and consistent. Quick 1 to 2 minute videos show clients you're not a robot. You're a real person, with confidence, by the way, and with knowledge. And that will build trust faster than any flyer or social media post you could ever do. Press record, focus on content, and let the video work for you.